Once you've done your photos, walk around everyone who's getting their photos up here, not back there. That's a bit of a long walk. And then go on to the boardwalk and wait for the stanchions over there to be undone. Don't set your kids on Thomas. We don't want his friends falling down and getting hurt. We'll direct it to the numbers on the boxes. Get it! Woo!
Until Thomas comes to a stop. Photo lines and get everyone on board.
There's the plate, man.
You might have already mentioned because of the box out photo display.
Yeah. Oh, yes. Oh! Okay, hold on. If you're not wanting to get photos and just want a board, let us know and we'll let you through to go and line up on the boardwalk.
Hey, Mr. Blakeman.
I knew I forgot something.
Hey, Mr. Blakeman.